Today, LCD, liquid crystal display, has penetrated into all walks of life, and most electronic terminals that need to display images and data for which use LCD display. With industrial control, medical care, smart payment, face recognition and other fields being detonated one after another, TFT LCD display technology has become an absolute mainstream trend. Here, I would like to introduce to you the working principle of TFT LCD. The fundamental structure of TFT LCD display includes 6 parts: backlight, down polarizer, TFT substrate, liquid crystal, color filter, and up polarizer. Backlight board. The principle of LCD display image is to control the brightness and darkness by blocking the light component of the liquid crystal, so it is necessary to have a light source to see the image on the LCD screen, so the backlight board is responsible for providing the most basic light source for the liquid crystal display image. Lower polarizer plate. The direction of the light is inconsistent sent by the backlight plate and radial. If such light passes through the twist of the liquid crystal molecules, we still can't see the normal image on the screen, and what we see may be a white piece or a colorful patch of color, not the image what we want to see. The polarizer below undertakes the work of standardizing the direction of the light to be consistent and then sending it to the liquid crystal layer. Thin film substrate. The twist angle of liquid crystal molecules is controlled by TFT. Liquid crystal. This layer of liquid crystal molecules is twisted under the control of TFT to control the brightness of the light in the same direction, so that the brightness of the light leading to the rear pixel unit changes. Well, today we will introduce these to you. If you need to know more about LCD screen, touch screen, please contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.